Jai Shri Krishna. So today I'll be explaining you the meaning of Pralayam. So before explaining the meaning line by line, let me tell you one a simple meaning of this whole lyrics. So it is like when some bad things become too much. Okay, so there is too much of bad things which is going around. So good power rises to stop it. That is what pralayam really means. So now I'll tell you a line by line meaning. So first line is pralayam dushkruta valayam. So pralayam. This word it means a big destruction. Okay, not a small damage, but something like but everything is very shaking and changing fast. That is pralayam. Dushkruta valayam. It means bad people and bad actions are everywhere. Later on, prabalam prachalam. So now imagine a power that is very, very strong and no one can stop it. That means prabhalam prachalam. Durdhama nilayam. Durdhama nilayam means so this power, okay, comes to end, which is cruelty and wrong things. To destruct cruelty and wrong things, you can say that is pralayam and that is durdhama nilayam. After that, asanipatha jastra prakaram. Okay, think of lightning in the sky, which is very fast, very bright, and very powerful. So the fight is just like that. Okay, timira loka samavakaram. So the world becomes dark and silent, as if light is hiding. Next, Garjin Neche Parjanyam. Okay, so Garjina means thunder sounds. So you hear a loud thunder sounds. That is Garjin Neche Parjanyam. Gorathi Gora Dhorjanyam. So Gorathi Gora Dhorjanyam means bad actions. They have crossed all the limits now, and something which is pralayam is going to happen now. Anavataram Athani Veta means um, this powerful force, okay? The force which is coming now, this powerful force which appears suddenly without any fear, okay? That is Anavataram Athani Vetam. Pramadhaloto Sayyata. So it moves forward with a very fast and very strong speed. Bibastam Athani Pratapam means its power the power which is there now which is coming, it looks very scary. Okay, so its power looks very scary. Beetavaha Samarapathakam. So the bad people on this battlefield now they start feeling afraid because that power which is coming, which is very, very scary. Agneyam Agraha Netram. So its eyes looks like they are burning with fire. Okay. So the one who is coming, so that eyes, it is looking very scary and it is like burning with fire. That is Agneyam Agraha Netram. Angagam Sangar Kshetram. Every steps becomes a place of fight. Okay, whatever the steps which is happening, that is like a place of fight. Asuram Jaladvikaram. So bad energy rises like a big flood. So now here the bad energy is coming and which is like a big flood which is going to come now. Sakala Jagannashakam. So here it means that now the energy which is coming or the power which is coming, it can destroy the whole world if needed. Okay? Samkshobham, which is everything shakes because change has come now. Hope you enjoyed it. Do share as much as you can. Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you.